I have 30 shirts to do for a cheer squad, and they're for their homecoming, and they are using, I believe it's like a HBCU thing. So this cheer squad is using FAMU Rattlers. So when I press my shirts, I always use my length roller to get out any dust and things that's on it. I order my shirts when it's like big bulk from Jiffy Shirts. So if you don't order your shirts from there, it's pretty cheap, affordable, and they come really fast. I ordered this Monday night and I got it Wednesday afternoon, and it was pretty quick. So I just use my length roller, dust everything off, and start pressing. I have my DTF, so I had somebody local do my DTF prints. And let me show you guys how they look. And this is the design. Go FAMU Rattlers. This is like my dream school, but I ended up going to another school, but I'm excited to do this one. So come with me as I press 30 shirts, plus I have to do another FAMU shirt, but I'm going to use HTV vinyl because of just words. And that is it. So first thing I have to do is to press my shirts before, well, take the length off before I press them on my DTF sheets. Shirts, all 39, no, 39, 29, I had 31 shirts, so I had different shirts in the press. And I'm getting ready to put the design on them. I separated the sizes, and I popped my heat press machine on. I don't know, sometimes it's different with the DTF. I mean, every time you look at YouTube or anything, they'll tell you different things. I usually put it, I don't know why I had so high because I'm so used to sublimation. But I think I'm gonna put this one a little lower. Let me get my sheets. I use these sheets also, toughen sheets, just in case. But I'm going to press it at, I have it at 365. I think I'm gonna put it down lower. Put my machine on 340 degrees, and I'm gonna press it for like 20 seconds. Honestly, I pressed it higher temperature and it still went good for a couple of seconds. I guess it depends on material and the design or who you get it from, but let me start getting ready to cut this. Oh, I think it's my largest size. My smaller, I'm gonna start with the smallest on down. Look at that design, yes. FAMU. I love DTF prints now. Like, I do sublimation still here and there, but DTF is where it's at. So much easier. Vinyl I kind of still do, but DTF is what I love to do the most. So this is use small, and I used to have a thing here. I just use my 3 fingers and then I measure it from the neckline. I should have cut these first, but cut it as I go. That way I don't get the sizes mixed up. So small. So I have my 3 fingers. I'm gonna put it there. Make sure I have it in the middle to press. And I've been doing this for like maybe 4 or 5 years. So sometimes I just do it with my eyes. There's not no really reason to do that. You just can tell how to center your shirt, your design. And sometimes I use my tape, but it's not gonna shift. I know it's not gonna shift. That should be good. And then I'm gonna press. I Forgot to change the time setting on here, but that's gonna be good. Pressing it, cold peel, hot peel. Now I wait till it cool down and then I peel it off. But the last time I did some heat transfer shirts, as soon as I lifted up, it was it just lifted up on its own. Like I didn't have to wait till it get cold. But I'm gonna wait till it get cool to take it off. That's how it looks. The next 4. Okay, so it cooled off a little bit, so let me peel it off. That's one shirt. And these are the used smalls that needed to be done. Cool. Cool. Now this one I messed up on. I'm either gonna try to take this off. If not, I get an extra transfer sheet and I put it on that one, or I just have to order another one. So now after I press mine, I put it back on for like 10 seconds each. We're using a sheet just so it can stick a little longer. More light.